Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need targeted sources first, so pick 10 niche channels and blogs that match your video. Once identified, publish a short resource page or blog post that embeds your video with clear timestamps and a value-first intro. This gives a linkable asset. Next, craft 3 outreach templates: collab, resource share, and comment engagement to reuse. Send personalized messages that reference specifics. Don't be generic. Make sure to track who replies so you can follow up within 48 hours and keep momentum going. Now execute outreach deliberately. Personalize every message by referencing a specific video, article, or timestamp to show you did the homework. This boosts reply rate. Once done, use 3 contact channels: email, social DM, and forum post, and stagger sends across 7 days to avoid spam filters. Offer real value: an exclusive clip, a co-post, or a guest snippet so the other creator benefits. Track responses in a sheet. When someone says yes, send the exact link, anchor text, and suggested placement to speed publication. Finish by confirming each link is live, uses the agreed anchor text, and includes timestamps or context so viewers click. Monitor referral traffic and viewer retention for 14 to 30 days. This shows which backlinks actually drive subscribers. If a link isn't published, follow up politely with the host and offer a small edit or updated asset to make it easier. When things go wrong, request a quick edit, propose an alternative placement, or pivot to guest posts and community threads to regain momentum.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.